How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing Hagoromo Fulltouch Chalk, a pack of 12 in all white color. Now, this chalk is pretty special because as a Johns Hopkins and Washington University in St. Louis trained mathematician, I definitely very much so appreciate this product because of its lack of dust and its smooth path as you write with it, and its sleek feel as well. Now, this definitely comes at an affordable price for the quality that you're getting. I like to think of it as the Rolls Royce of chalk. So I'll show you some example of me drawing on it on a small chalkboard just so you could see what it looks like. But I will say there's one very small thing, small minor flaw about it. Like I'll pull out one of them so I could show you. I haven't used this specific piece of chalk yet, but as you can imagine, I guess to think of it in math terms, the diameter of the cylinder is a bit larger than typical academic chalk. When you write on it on the side, it could smooth out the edges, which causes the surface of the end of the chalk to be a bit jagged and not very precise when you're writing. But of course, this is something that can be worked with, especially with the more practice you get working with this chalk. It's just something that I struggled with, like to draw on a smaller chalkboard, but when I write on my bigger chalkboard, it's usually not an issue. But if you're trying to be very precise with what you're drawing and the size of your lines when you're drawing, it could just be a little bit difficult when you're using this. But I don't want to make that a main point. I just wanted to mention it for anyone that might be using very small chalkboards. But again, as I stated, this is pretty much the Rolls Royce of chalk, and it's very smooth on the outside. It almost feels like plastic. There's virtually no dust when you're writing with it. So I'll show you an example. So I'm just gonna write like basic math equations, just basic ones. You could probably hear the chalk hit the chalkboard as I was writing with it, and it doesn't give that squeaky sound. It's a very smooth chalk as you're writing with it. And as you could see, there's virtually no dust that comes from it that blows off of it as you're writing with it. So I'll just write a little bit more with it so you can get a better feel for it. So as you can see, it's a very nice, clean, bold white color against the black chalkboard. My writing wasn't perfect, obviously, but I was just trying to show this for demonstration purposes. Yeah, so this chalk is definitely durable and it lasts a long time because it's a bit thicker. As I said, the diameter of the cylinder of the chalk is actually much larger than typical chalk. As I stated, the sides can get a little bit jagged, or the tip of the chalk can get a bit jagged, as you can see here a little bit as you write with it. But again, this just to get used to this, it just comes with practice, getting used to this specific chalk, which is fantastic. And again, as a JHU and WashU trained mathematician, I fully back this product and think it's fantastic. Thank you.